Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, born on June 5, 1972 in Panchor, Uttarakhand, is the son of Anand Singh Bisht and Savitri Devi. His whole name was Ajay Singh Bisht. The fifth of seven siblings, he became a yogi at 22. He became a disciple of Mahant Avaidnath of Gorakhnath Temple on February 15, 1994. Renamed as Yogi Adityanath, he was declared Avaidnath's successor in 1998 and became an MP at just 26. He secured consecutive victories in the 1999, 2004, 2009 and 2014 Lok Sabha elections. Yogi Adityanath first took oath as UP Chief Minister on March 19, 2017 and was re-elected on March 25, 2022. On June 5, 1975, the Suez Canal linking the Mediterranean and the Red Sea was reopened. Constructed between 1854 and 1864, this architectural marvel originally measured 25 feet deep, 72 feet wide at the bottom and 200 to 300 feet wide at the surface. Initially, its ownership was divided among France, Turkey, Egypt and other Arab countries, but it eventually came under full Egyptian control. Today, the Suez Canal is one of the busiest trade routes, handling 12% of global trade. The canal was further widened in August 2014 by the Egyptian government, expediting ship movement through this crucial waterway.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशंस ओपन। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी भविष्य को लेकर परेशान है? RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी है इसका हल। PhD, MPhil किसी भी विषय में। डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। एडमिशंस ओपन। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। एजुकेशन ग्लोरिफाइज नेशन।
On June 5, 1984, the Indian Army launched Operation Blue Star, entering the Golden Temple in Amritsar to confront separatist terrorist Jarnail Singh Bhindranwale. The operation began at 7 p.m. and involved intense overnight fighting. By 5:20 a.m. on June 6, tanks were deployed to remove terrorists hiding in Akal Takht, causing significant damage. Fighting continued until late June 6 and Bhindranwale's body was found, ending the operation on the morning of June 7. Prime Minister Indira Gandhi visited the temple afterwards, but the operation fueled anger among separatists. On October 31, 1984, Indira Gandhi was assassinated by her two Sikh bodyguards. On June 5, 1981, the CDC identified a new disease in 5 homosexual men with pneumocystis pneumonia, marking the first known cases of AIDS. This sudden immune deficiency led to their deaths within months. Initially termed acquired immune deficiency syndrome, the disease rapidly spread with 108 cases reported in the United States by late 1981, 94% involving homosexual men. Bobby Campbell was the first to publicly announce his AIDS diagnosis on December 10, 1981. In March 1987, the FDA approved the first AIDS medication. World AIDS Day has been observed annually on December 1 since 1988, with the red ribbon debuting in 1991 as a symbol of AIDS awareness. In 2020, AIDS caused 6,90,000 deaths globally. World Environment Day, celebrated globally on June 5, aims to minimize human impact on the environment. Initiated during the 1972 UN General Assembly on the Human Environment, it was first observed in Spokane, USA in 1974 with the theme Only One Earth. Each year features a unique theme and host country, a practice started in 1987. The 2023 theme was Solutions to Plastic Pollution. In 2024, Saudi Arabia is hosting with the theme Reviving Lands for a Brighter Future, highlighting the collective efforts needed to restore land, combat desertification, and enhance resilience to drought.